I think hope you people understood what is checked exception, what is unchecked exception. Okay, so let me revise one more time. Okay, let me give you few real world example, then you can understand completely, guys. Okay, these are very, very important. That's why. Okay, so now okay, so now yeah, so now first we are discussing about checked exception. Okay, the checked exception, I think yesterday we have taken one example, right? The security one. Okay, so now here see, let's suppose, okay, so while going to examination, definitely either your mother and father, okay, someone will ask you, hey, beta, so are you carrying ID card, or are you carrying the hall ticket or not? Okay, can you please check, right? So, and after that, maybe they can ask, hey, the pen what we are taking, can you please check whether it is okay properly writing or not? Okay, is it working or not? So who will ask? Either mother or your father will ask, right? So why they are asking? Maybe if you are not checking now, maybe at runtime. Runtime means what? At examination, okay, at examination hall, you may face this issue, right? All ticket missing exception, right? All ticket missing exception you may get. Pen not working exception you may get. At what time? At examination hall. Understand? Come on, guys. So to avoid that one, who is checking now? Either your mother or father, they are checking, right? Clear? So why?
Yes.
For smooth execution of the program at runtime. Okay. So your mother can ask, right? Hey, beta, can you please check? Are you carrying what? Hall ticket or not? Are you carrying ID card or not? Understand? So otherwise, please check the pen what you are taking, right? Are you carrying pen or not? So the pen what you are taking is properly working or not? Could you please check it? So like that, either your mother or father will ask you, right? So why? For smooth execution of the program at runtime, right? These are what, guys? Compile time checking. Okay. So these exceptions here, see, hall ticket missing exception. Hall ticket missing exception is checked exception or unchecked exception? Tell me. Checked exception, right?
Checked
Hall ticket missing exception, checked exception. So hall ticket missing exception, someone can check before entering into the examination hall. Who is that someone? Or either your mother or father. Understand? Pen not working exception. This is checked exception or unchecked exception?
Checked exception.
Checked exception. So pen not working also, someone can check before entering into your examination. Your mother or father can ask, hey beta, can you please check the pen what you are carrying is properly working or not? Right? So yesterday someone is asked, right? I mean, what is the difference between unchecked and checked? Okay, that's what I want to explain one more time. Okay, so now see, so these are what, guys? So definitely your mother can ask, okay, there is a chance of forgetting hall ticket or not taking proper pen. There is a chance of, right? There may be a chance. Am I right or wrong? Okay, so that's what here your mother or father, they are checking. Okay, fine. Now, see, let's suppose while going to, okay, while starting to examination, if you mother asks, okay, so hey, beta, so nowadays there are okay, bomb blasts are happening. Okay, so what you will do if you have any bomb in your examination hall? So like that, any father or mother will ask that such type of questions, guys, while
No,
going
sir.
to examinations.
No, sir.
Right? They will not ask, right? So అవన్నీ అయితే అప్సకినాలు అంటారు. Okay, so before going to the examination, no one will ask such kind of questions, right? So yes, there may be a chance of bomb blast at examination also, at examination hall also, but the chance of having that bomb blast is very rare, right? Its chance of, okay, happening the bomb blast in examination hall is very, 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 very less. So that's what, such type of exceptions no one will verify, no one will ask, right? For that, your mother or father, no one will raise that question. Am I right or wrong? Have you heard anything like that? Any questions your mother or father will ask before going to examination, guys? No,
No,
right?
sir.
Right.
No, sir.
So yeah. So this kind of bomb blast exception. Is it checked exception or unchecked exception?
Unchecked exception.
Unchecked
Unchecked
exception.
exception. Right? Bomb blast exception is what? Unchecked exception. Right? No one is checking. So it is happening very rarely. So that's what no one will take in care. Understand? So all of a sudden will happen. So we cannot do anything, right, for that. Am I right or wrong? So now these kind of exceptions are comes under where, guys? Unchecked exceptions. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to another example. We will take one real world example. Let's suppose, okay, we are going to somewhere from Hyderabad to Tirumala you are going. Okay. Otherwise, Tiruvannamalai you are going for Arunachalam. Okay, for doing Giri Pradakshina. Right. So this is Kartik Masa, right? So it's very famous temple. I think most of the people are aware of it, right? Arunachalam, Tiruvannamalai. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Before starting your car, your father will ask, okay, can you please check, okay, do we have enough diesel or not in your tank? Understand? Who will ask you? Your father will ask you. So if you forget and if you go at mid of the way, you may be chance of what? Okay, you may be chance of what, guys? If fuel is not available, your car will not work, right? So there may be a chance of maybe you cannot find much bunks in on the way. Okay, so that's what this is what, guys. Now here engine, right? What do you call fuel? Insufficient fuel, right? Or else fuel checking, fuel completed exception. So what kind of exception it is? It is checked exception or unchecked exception?
Checked exception.
Checked exceptions. These exception can be we can I mean we can check it, right? So we can
Yes, sir.
someone can check it, these kind of exceptions, right? So now in the same time, let's suppose, yeah, we are going a long journey, right? So your father will ask you, hey beta, can you please check, do you have Stephanie tire or not? Right? Maybe there may be a chance, right? On the way, your tire got punctured. So that definitely what we have to do, we should have some alternate Stephanie tire. So then we can fit it and we can go. So otherwise, if you are not carrying any Stephanie tire, definitely you will face a lot of issues, right? So this is what, guys, your father will check. So now Stephanie tire exception or tire puncture exception. So this is what, guys, I mean, Stephanie tire exception. So this
Checked
is
exception.
checked exception or unchecked exception?
Checked exception.
Checked
Checked
exception.
Understand? So now, while traveling, okay, before you're starting, your father will ask like that, hey beta, there may be a chance of okay, accident. What you will do? So these kind of questions your father or mother will ask you, guys, while going to somewhere.
Yes.
Huh? Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Hmm. Someone is saying yes, na? These kind of questions anyone will ask before starting to any other
No,
place?
sir.
No one will ask, right? These are what, guys? Upsignal antar kada, right? So we should not ask these kind of, right, questions, right? So yes, there may be a chance of even what do you call accidents also, right? There may be a chance of having accidents also, but those are what rarely will happen, right? Rarely will happen, right? So here accident exception is checked exception or unchecked exception, guys? Accident exception is checked exception, unchecked
Unchecked
Checked
exception.
exception.
Understand? Unchecked exception, right? We don't know. Yes, happened, but we don't know when it will happen. It's rarely happen. Understand? So that's what this is what unchecked exception. Clear? What is checked exception? What is unchecked exception?
Yes, clear.
For checked exception, someone is checking, someone is intimating. Yes, there may be a chance. Okay, out of 10, there may be a chance of 5 to 6 times there may be a chance. Understand? But here unchecked exception, out of 1 crore or 2 crore, maybe there may be a chance of 1 or 2. Right? So the raising exceptions at runtime, the chance is very, very less. Where coming to unchecked exception. But checked exception, there may be a chance of, I mean, raising exception at runtime, the chance will be high. Right? If you have a chance high, someone is checking to avoid that, right? To avoid that at runtime. So those kind of exceptions are comes under where, guys? Checked exceptions. Understand? So the chance is very, very less, right? So those kind of exceptions comes under where, guys? Unchecked exception. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Come on, guys, everyone.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear or not?
Sir,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, otherwise, let me take one more example. Okay, final example, guys. We will close it. Okay. So now let's suppose. Okay. So in your in your house, in your family, right? So there is a big function is going on, guys. Okay. So your father invited lot of guests. Okay. Lot of guests, and he invited most of the people, and you are arranging a big event. Okay. A big function you are arranging at your house. So all of sudden at the night, okay, tomorrow morning the function will start. Before at the midnight, maybe your father has some urgent call. Okay, he has to travel from Hyderabad to New Delhi or somewhere. Okay, so all of a sudden what it will do, he will ask you, okay, hey beta, please come on. Okay, I need to go to New Delhi. It's a very urgent, important. Okay, there is a one meeting I have to go to. Could you please take in care all the things for tomorrow function? Okay, so please arrange. Okay, so the things carefully, and lot of guests are coming. Okay, food and everything. Please take in care. Okay, so like that, he will hand over all the responsibilities to you. Okay, so now this is the first time you are doing. Okay, so you don't have any experience, guys. So now again, maybe your father will ask your grandfather also. Okay, hey, dad, so I want to go to somewhere. Okay, but for tomorrow function, I'm handovering all the responsibility to my kid. Okay, he don't have any experience. Can you please monitor? Okay, whether he is doing properly or not. Can you please monitor? Like that, he told to your grandfather. Okay, now the function is going on. So I think you are okay, you are checking each and everything. I mean the lightings and everything, guys. Okay, what you call arrangements and everything. Okay, so now it's going on good. So all of sudden your grandfather also watching your the activities what you are doing. So he is also fine, he is also thinking, yes, he is doing great. Okay, fine. So all of sudden he called you. Who? Your grandfather will call you. Hey beta, please come on here. So you went to your grandfather. So now he's asking, so how many okay, so you are preparing food, right? For how many members you are preparing food? So you said exactly like 594, like that, some figure you are selling. Okay, or else 494, like that you are telling. Okay, so your grandfather is asking, okay, let's 452 or something you are telling, guys. Okay, so your grandfather is asking, how can you say only 452 members are coming for the event? No, grandfather, actually I have given the invitation exactly 452, so that's why I'm expecting 452 people are coming. Okay, then immediately your grandfather will ask, no, fine, you are giving some invitation to your friend. So do you think only your friend will come? So along with him, he may carry his parents, right? Or else his wife or his kids. Am I right or wrong? So are you stopping them? Like that, your grandfather will ask you. So what you will say? Okay, there is no answer. Oh, then I did not think in that way. So let me prepare. Okay, so if now instead of 452, you are preparing food for what? 500 people. Understand? 500 people. Now the event is going on at lunchtime. So exactly 484 people are came. Understand? 484 people are came. But you are preparing food for how many members? 500 members. Then there is no problem, right? 484 they can come, they can eat. See here, see, insufficient food. So there may be a chance of raising exception, right? What is an exception here? Insufficient food exception. So is it checked exception or unchecked exception?
Unchecked.
Tell me, guys.
Checked exception, sir.
Unchecked exception, Vignesh. Insufficient food exception is a checked exception or unchecked exception? Checked
Is
exception,
checked.
right? So before that, your grandfather is checking, right?
Yes.
Someone is checking, right? He's monitoring, he's checking. He asked you, hey, how many people you are preparing food? You are saying 452. How can you prepare for 452? You said, I have given only 452 cards. And immediately he's asking, how can you say only 452 people will come? You are giving invitation to your friend. So along with your friend, maybe he can bring his parents and his kids and his wife, right? So how can you say 452? Better to put 500 people. This is what checking. Understand? So at runtime, before happening lunch, before that only, your grandfather is checking, guys, here. Understand? So this is what there may be a chance of, see, let's suppose if grandfather is not checking, we are preparing food for only for 452 people, but runtime, how many people are came? 484 people are came, right? If you are not preparing for 500 people, that definitely you will get what? Insufficient food or not?
Yes, sir.
You will get insufficient food exception or not?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So this is what, guys, insufficient food exception is comes under where? Is it checked exception or unchecked exception?
Checked.
Checked exception. Understand? Checked exception. So now, right. So now, your grandfather, again, yes, everything is going good. Again, your grandfather asked you, okay, hey, beta, please come here. So again, you will go. Okay, you go to your grandfather. Now, your grandfather is asking, hey, everything is good, fine. You are arranging all these particular lightings and all. So, what you will do if some short circuit is happening? Okay, all the guests who came, the guests who are coming to our function, they may died. Like that, your grandfather will ask, yes, there is a chance. There is a chance. Okay, there is a chance, even what do you call short circuit, and there may be a chance. But like that, your grandfather will ask this type of questions, guys.
No, sir.
Right? No one will ask. Right? So there may be a chance, but chance is what? Very, 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 very less. Am I right or wrong? Here, you are preparing food for 452. Right? So maybe 452, let's suppose 440 people are came or 430 people are came or 400 people are came, then the food what you are preparing is sufficient. But by here what? Instead of 452, there may be a chance of coming higher than 452, right? Let's suppose 460, 470, 480. Here chance is high. Am I right or wrong? If chance is high, someone has to check to avoid that mistake at runtime. So those kind of exceptions are comes under where? Checked exceptions. If chance is very, 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 very less, so no need to check. Understand? So those kind of exceptions are comes under where, guys? Unchecked exceptions. Hope you people clear on this. Here also there may be a
Yes,
chance
sir.
of short circuit exception, right? Short circuit exception also there may be a chance, but very, 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 very less, right? So these kind of exceptions no one will check. Understand? There may be a chance of raising this exception very, very, very less. Okay, at 1 crore, see, the chance is very, very less. So that's what these kind of exception we no need to check. So that's what these exceptions are comes under where, guys? Unchecked exceptions. Hope you people understood what is checked exception, what is unchecked exception. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? So now here see what are the unchecked exceptions, guys? The runtime exception and its child classes and error and its child classes comes under where? Unchecked exception.
Unchecked exceptions.
Okay. So remaining all the exceptions comes under where, guys? Checked
Checked
exception.
exceptions.
Okay. So here arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, class cast exception, index out of bounds exception, all these exceptions are comes under where? Unchecked exceptions. Okay, so IO exception, end of the file exception, file not found exception, interrupted exception, all these servlet exception, all these exceptions comes under where? Checked exception. Okay, for checked exception, who will checking, guys? Compiler will checking. Okay, compiler will check, guys. Okay, if you have any checked exception related code, if you are writing, the compiler is checking. Okay, compiler is checking. Why? For smooth execution of the program at runtime. Okay, for smooth execution of the program at runtime, guys. Okay, Hope you people clear on this. Even errors also. Here, linkage error, I mean, what do you call? Out of memory error, stack overflow error, right? So there may be a chance, but we don't have any control on that. So programmer has any control on that? Right? We don't have any control on that. These are what will be taken care by who? System resources. Yesterday we discussed it, right? So now, if programmer doesn't have any control, then who will check? Compiler will not check, right? So any programmer has written code. If you have any mistake, then only compiler will monitor, will check, right? At compile time for smooth execution of the program at runtime. But these are not, under a developer, right? These are under where? System resources, either system admin or server admin. They has to take care. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now these are also error and its child classes also comes under where, guys? Unchecked exception. Understand? Here there is no for developer point of view, there is no control. If there is no control, then how the compiler will check? Understand? So that's why error and its child classes comes under where, guys? Unchecked exceptions. Okay? Clear, everyone? Even we have taken few, what do you call? Real-time, real world. Okay, normal customized exceptions also. Right? And these are what? User-defined exceptions. I mean, predefined exceptions. Okay? So in the predefined exception, our exception hierarchy flow, right? A runtime exception and its child classes comes under unchecked exception, and even error and its child classes comes under unchecked exception. Remaining exceptions are comes under where, guys? Checked exceptions. Clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes,
So now,
sir.